28 years ago on November 16, Jamaica's men's team qualified for the FIFA World Cup. They can create history and do it again tomorrow by beating Curacao at the National Stadium. I'm absolutely confident that our reggae boys can do it. They've got the talent, they're motivated, they have the heart of champions, and they want to make Jamaica proud. Come on, Jamaica, let's get behind our boys. Wear your gold, wear your yellow. Let's turn out in our numbers at the office and cheer loud for Jamaica. The nation is wishing you the best of luck, reggae boys. You got this. And we will always give you our full support. Go for it. We know you can do it.